Hey Martin, what you got there?
I've got the new Superfine Scissor and Tweezer set from Echidna. So what we have here in a genuine leather pouch is a pair of action scissors and some fine tip tweezers, and they're micro fine. They got a little bit of a burr on the inside of them so they can grip hold of threads. So if you want to tidy up a piece of work, we can actually hold on to the thread with the tweezer and snip off. We can get our tweezer underneath there and hold that thread while we cut that, and then that just trims our jumps, cleans up our work, and they're micro. A little bit of a less of a curve to our last models there, so they actually sit nicer onto the hoop rather than having to be angled up. And then they can be put back into their little travel pouch, put onto your portable sewing kit, keep them nice and safe, keep the points away from fingers, nice and protected. It's a great little gift, and it's a great thing to actually have in your sewing gear.